So, you're ready to make an offer on a house. That's great. How much should you offer? I don't know. Good news though, you don't have to do it alone. We can help you craft the strategies that will help you stand out. So stay tuned to find out some key factors to help you dial in on that perfect offer price. Welcome back to our channel, The Good Life, South Palm Beach County. Now in today's show, we're going to take you through some steps on how to make an offer on a house. If you're a first-time buyer in Florida, it's a little different here than in other states, so we want to make your life easier. We know it may be stressful, even a little emotional. So here are some tips that have helped some of our clients. Hi, I'm Sharon Wild.
And I'm Brad Bress, and let's get started. Mortgage confirmation pre-approval. You got the mortgage, you're pre-approved, great. Don't get crazy if they gave you more money than you wanted. You might need money for negotiations, repairs, upgrades, and other things.
That's right. Now, okay, so you found the right home, it fits your budget, you're in the neighborhood you wanted, and the comps are next. So you want to get an idea of what other homes are selling for or recently sold for so that you can make the best offer. Now, this is very important, and your agent can help you with that, right?
And when you're ready to make the offer, here are things you need to know. Let's get started. You have to know the amount of money you want to offer on the house. You've already figured that out. Contingencies such as inspections, appraisals, and financing. Items you would like to include in the sale, such as furniture, appliances, window treatments, and other things. How much earnest money you're going to put down. Remember, you have 3 days to put down the money to make the first deposit. Dates are so important. You got to pay attention to all those deadlines. And the date and deadlines to respond to the offer and the closing are extremely important. But remember, in Palm Beach County, seller pays closing costs, and that saves you a lot of money.
Well, with our combined experience, this is where we could actually give you some insight on what could make your offer look more attractive to the seller. You know, sellers have their needs too. Maybe they need to move, more time to move to or to find another home. I mean, a cash offer can close really quick and almost always guarantees closing. So even though we can't tell you what to offer, we can certainly give you some guidance there. Now, the next thing would be the purchase and sale agreement. Your agent is going to draft this for you, so you can either sign or e-sign before they actually submit it. But always, always review the contract with your agent to make sure that it's presented the way you want it.
And remember, no matter what you offer, the seller's agent is legally bound to present it to his clients. And then after this, there are 3 choices. He can either accept your offer as is, reject the offer, or counter. If the offer is rejected, it's over. No further negotiations. If they counter, you can either accept it or give them back another counter.
Right. Now, we're now at contract. Yippee. Okay, so when the seller accepts your offer and all the terms are agreed upon, the purchase and sale agreement now becomes legally binding. In the state of Florida, having an attorney is optional, not like some other states, so it's not required. But now we have an official contract.
And next, you must have a home inspection. It's important to find a good company, avoid future problems. In Florida, you're not allowed to pick the company, but you can make 3 recommendations, and the final decision is up to you.
That's right. We can only help with that. Here are some questions that you want to ask the inspection person. How long has the business been doing these home inspections, and what type of mold inspection do you do? Is the inspection warranted, and for how long? Now, after your inspection has been completed, your agent can speak on your behalf to the seller's agent to agree on what repairs will be done and on any contingencies. We can't stress enough how imperative it is to put this all in writing. We all forget things sometimes, and sellers are no exception there. It's always better to have the seller pay for your repairs and you fix all repairs, but put it in writing. Now, we're almost done. After the inspection has been approved and both parties agree on the repairs, there's a second deposit that's due. And then it's time to close. Now, 1 or 2 days before the closing date, you'll receive a closing statement. Be sure to review it carefully. Do a walkthrough the day of closing. And congratulations, you just made a successful offer and purchased your new home, right?
100%.
We're good. Okay, we hope this video has given you some guidance on how to make an offer on a house. If you have any questions or you need further information, put it in the comments below, and maybe you have a suggestion that you could put in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. But subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for the next video. And until next time,
Ciao.
ciao.